Hi, are you a man? Of course you are, because if you're a woman you would have read the manual like any sensible person, and you would have not needed this video to explain on how to change this bike's clock. Enjoy the video. Time to change the clocks. Well, it's very hard to do on certain devices, and on the CRF250l or M or Rally possibly, I don't know, don't quote me on the Rally, it is different. So place your key inside this ignition port thing and switch the on position. Once the device is on, you can simply okay, well, you have to hold both these left and right buttons at the same time. Once that's done, you can see the miles per hour starts flashing. You could change that to kilometers if you really so wish. I don't, so I'm going to click this button here, and you can see it's now flashing on the 10. And you can press this button on the right to up the hours to whatever you want. But it is actually 10:55, so I'm going to cycle it back round. Oops, I've gone too far. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's the same for the other side as well, just here. There you go. And you can change that by changing it up as well. So we're going to fast forward time, and I'll cycle it around. I think if you hold it down it goes quicker. Yeah, we go. What if it is? And you can set the time like that. Hey, presto. Anyway, hope that helps. For more tips and tricks and secret hacks and stuff you can do with a Honda CRF250l, then yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and all that. And hey, there's videos below. Maybe I'm going to show you how to make this lovely cleaning cloth holder. Yes.